Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about another 2D shape, that is triangle. As the name suggests, triangle. That means we are talking about a shape which has 3 sides, 3 angles, and the shape will be like this. It's not necessary that triangle should be like this. Triangle can be like this also. So how many sides it has? 3 sides it has. And how many angles it has? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? So it is 3-sided picture is called a triangle. And now we are going to talk about the area and perimeter of a triangle. Now when we are going to talk about the area of a triangle, so the formula for the area of a triangle is area of a triangle is equal to half base multiplied by height. Right? Base means that this distance, the distance on which the shape is standing, this is called the base. But when we are talking about the height, remember that height is always a line which makes a 90 degree with the base. In this case, this line is making the 90 degree, this is the base. And this line is making a 90 degree angle with the base, so this is the height. In this triangle, if this is the base, so which line is making a 90 degree angle? For this, we have to draw a line in the center. So this line which is making a 90 degree angle is called the height. So this will be called the height of this triangle. So when we are talking about the area of a triangle, it will be half base multiplied by height. Base is, in the question, if base is given, you are going to find out that you have to judge that what will be the height of the triangle. Then you are going to do it like this. And what about the perimeter of a triangle? So the perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C, or you can say it is the sum of all sides. When we are talking about the perimeter of a triangle, we have to add all the 3 sides. I have named them A, B, C. You can name them any alphabet you want to. So when we are going to add these 3 sides, we are going to get the perimeter of a triangle. Now remember that if this is a triangle, and we have another triangle in which this is and then this is the shape, then what we can have in this triangle, it depends on you that you can change. If this is the base, your height will be this line which is making a 90 degree, a line which is falling on the base and making a 90 degree angle. And if this is the base you are going to take, then this will be your height. Right? So it depends that in a triangle, what is the base you are taking. If you are taking this as the base, this will be your height. If you are going to take this as this, and this will be your height. Remember that in such type of triangle where we can take 2 heights, the area is always going to remain the same. Right? This is very easy. You only have to substitute the values and you can get the area. But and add all the 3 sides, you can get the perimeter. Let me give you an example for this type of question. Now for example, if I am given this type of question in which the base AC is given as 20 centimeter, this DC is given as 22 centimeter, and this AE is given as 16 centimeter, and we have to find this height, which is saying that BD is equal to how much. We don't know the height of this. Now we have only 2 formulas. Up till now we have learned only 2 formulas for the triangle, the area and the perimeter. Now perimeter is the sum of outside boundary. In this case, this boundary is not given, so we cannot find this line which is inside, and this is showing the height. So the formula which we are going to use will be the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half base multiplied by height, and since this is a triangle, this is only one triangle in which we are given two heights. So the area for, if we are going to take this as the base, this as the base, if we are going to take this as the base, this will be the height. If we are going to take this as the base, this will be my height. So what will the area for these two triangles will be same. So what we are going to do is that A1 is equal to A2. The area of one triangle will be equal to the other triangle. So we are going to do is half base for, if we are going to take the triangle, suppose we are taking the triangle A. So what we are taking is that the A1 is equal to A2 in the area, and what we mean to say is that the area for these triangles will be same whatever may be the base. If we are taking this 20 as the base, so my formula will be half base, I have taken 20. For this 20, what is the height? This is the height which we don't know. This will be equal to the half of, and now this 22 I am taking as a base, and the height for this will be 16. Right? You can simplify it here also, you can simplify it after shifting also. Half and half is common on both the sides, so this and this will be cancelled. And now what we want to know is, we know BD, and this 20 is extra here, this 20 is multiplying here, and it will go on the other side, it is going to divide. So BD is equal to 22 multiplied by 16 over 20. And when you are going to simplify it, this will be this BD is equal to 22 multiplied by 16 over 20, and when you are going to simplify it, 2 8s are 2 10s are, and 2 5s are 2 11s are, and what are we left with? Now we cannot further cancel it, so we are going to multiply the numerator number with the numerator and denominator with denominator. 11 multiplied by 8 is 88 by 5, which is equal to, when we are going to divide it, 5 1s are 5, 38, 5 7s are 38, 3 by 5 centimeter is going to be my answer, or the value of this thing. Thank you.